Hello all, it's Ria here from Maisie Moo, just jumping on to show you how to put together the EasyStitch Heart Purse. Now this is very similar to the one that I have that is a no-sew, which you simply glue around. A few modifications because obviously we've got the EasyStitch holes. I've also included like a border piece. Now you don't have to use this, you can choose to just have the two sides, but I thought with it being so similar to the other one, I wanted to give you something a bit different. You also will receive the template for the heart fob, which is just a wrap around fob that fits the 1-inch clamps. So this one that I had on the Facebook page that you've already seen has got the border, and I'll show you how we do the border today. What I did do was I used just an eyelet there to put my split ring through, but today what I'm going to do is actually insert a side tab, so both options are available to you. Okie doke. So really this is just going to be a quick video showing you how we are sewing this together. It's school holidays here and everything is rush. We're either at the beach or I'm painting fences or there's been lots happening. So I'm sorry that there was a delay on getting this loaded. I'm hoping we can get it through this evening. Now, as with all my other easy stitches, I'm using the embroidery floss. This is just a pink colour I had in my stash. Okay, so we're just threading that. My needle is pathetic, but it will work. It's really short. Everything goes missing. I've had Isla making cord tidies for a market today. So there's stuff everywhere. Okay, so what you want to do is here we go. With this design, you've got two sides that are full circles, but one's got the holes all the way around. Now this is going to be your insert. It's ever so slightly smaller than the frame. This one here, which is the back piece like we've got with the deer, and I've used the bows here, has got no holes down one side. Okay, so just so that you can figure out which piece is which. Starting by, there we go, creating a big knot like we normally do, but what you want to do is you want to sew this line of holes here first, because you don't have, you've got an opening, there are no holes there, so we want to go forwards and back, and then we're going to come around by attaching this. So now something that I should have done because I'm rushing here is insert my snaps. So what we'll do is we'll take this stitch up and then come back again. Okay, so what I'm going to quickly do is jump on to my machine, which is over the other side of the room. I'm actually going to get one of the hand presses coming through from Cam soon, so I can show you how it all works. But it's a bit bulky, the one I use. So I'm going to go pop those on. I'll be back in 1 second. Okay, so I thought I was filming, as it seems to be having a few issues with my filming at the moment, but anyway, what I did was I jumped on and put the snaps on. You can see I've got the snaps there and there, so they close over, and that's going to be your opening of your purse. Next, what I've done is I've got the two sides and sandwiched them together, and then I've started to sew around. So we've jumped in a little bit along the way here, but what I'm going to do is just keep sewing around. Okay, so you'll see here you've got the holes already in your tab, And what we're going to do is we're just going to see them. So if I put my needle through that first layer there, through these two, then through the main body, and we're going to go back through as well. There's a few layers to go through, but if you do it nice and tight, let's have a look, there we are. That will hold. Okay. And I'm going to just continue around, so we'll keep going around to the end here. Okay, so we've come to the end. You can see we've got a solid stitch all the way around, and all we want to do now is to create a knot so it's hidden inside. We've got one last stitch. Okay, so I'm going to come out through the middle of your, there we go, of the heart shape. Now if you take your needle and you want to pass it up again through, I'm going to go out here, back through another stitch, and we're using the opening, and what we want is a loop. So you can see that we've got a loop there. Simply take your needle back through. Sounds a bit fiddly, but it works, and then you pull that tight. Okay, so you want to do that twice, and then that means you will have a nice tight knot. Up we go. Okay, and I'm going to trim it internally, so we'll take it back through. And nice tiny scissors to trim this, which I don't have. I've got my dressmaking ones. Here we go. They work the same. Okay, so there we go. That's your purse. This is where you're going to insert whatever it is you want to hold in it, money, notes. It's quite a good size. Attach your fob if you're going to make one. You've got, obviously, you could choose to put your split ring on if you want to before you attach it, or you're just going to slip that over. I might pop a tassel on this one. But yes, straightforward. The two options where you can have plain or you can have the scalloped frame. I've also got a couple of little hearts if you chose to sew them on as well. You can do. Look forward to seeing what you make with this one. Thanks. Bye.